Imagine living in a unit with your own private lift and your own private foyer area. Hello everyone, I'm Martin from Property Partners. Today I'm very excited to show you a rental unit, 1,905 square feet, 4-bedder right in District 10. The moment you exit your private lift, you are greeted with your own private foyer area. We have lots of storage space and also even a nice couch to actually wear your shoes. If you love huge space, this unit is what you want because there is a wall-to-wall distance of up to 6.8 meters and you can configure it to how you want. The owners have currently used this space as their living area with the TV and the couch. With this huge living space, after segregating out the living area, you still have a very large space for you to configure it to how you want. You can actually put more tables and chairs to use as your dining, or you can use this high table provided to drink your coffee or even your whiskey. For those who love gardening, this planter is excellent for you to grow your plants, and because this is east facing, you get a very natural morning sun coming in to grow your plants, and also you get to enjoy this unblocked greenery view. A fully equipped kitchen with lots of counter space and lots of cabinet space and storage space for you to put your food and also your cooking equipment. And also we have gas stove here for you for those who like to do wok hei and heavy cooking, and windows for natural ventilation. A huge yard space for you to do your laundry, or alternatively you can convert it into your own outdoor space, be it for your own coffee area or even a study area. Currently there's a bomb shelter being used as the helper's room, and there's also an extra WC, the fourth one, over here. There are a total of 4 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms in this unit. Let's go check out the first bedroom. Welcome to the first bedroom. We have a single platform bed done up for you and lots of storage space for you to use and lots of cabinet space for you to use as well. And this room itself comes with an ensuite toilet. Welcome to the second bedroom. Same thing, you have a single platform bed done up with lots of storage space for you and also cabinet space done up all for you. This will be the common bathroom. You have a toilet, a showering area and as well as a rain shower. Welcome to the third bedroom. We also have a single platform bed done up with storage, cabinet space and also a table for you to use as a study. Welcome to the master bedroom. Huge space, you can put a king size bed, you have lots of cabinet to store all your things, as well as an ensuite toilet. Welcome to the master ensuite. You have your his and her sink so that the husband and wife don't need to fight, and even a bathtub. The master bedroom also comes with a desk at the secret corner for you to do all your important stuff. We have a very large balcony area, good enough to fit a 6-seater dining table. Actually, if you want to fit up to an 8-seater, it's also possible for alfresco dining or to host your friends. And you can still see there's still lots of space. And Ziptraks are all done up with the ceiling fan as well. Okay, and this development is conveniently located within walking distance to Stevens MRT, which you get still access to your downtown line. And the amazing thing about this unit is we are within 1 km of 3 good primary schools. We have SCGS, which is just opposite there, and SJI just beside SCGS, both within walking distances. And we also have ACS Primary, which is just down the road, which is also within 1 km. And this increases your chance of your kids' primary school registration. For those who love to shop, we are also just a 5 minutes drive away to Ion and also Paragon. Living in this unit, you also get to enjoy underground basement parking as well as a 30-meter lap pool. Want to live in an exclusive, huge 4-bedder right in District 10 with Stevens MRT right at your doorstep, and also for parents who want to secure the future for your children, to enroll in one of the top 3 primary schools in Singapore, SCGS, ACS and also SJI, remember to contact me, Martin from Property Partners at 9127-8681 for exclusive viewing today.